If you're a professional yawner, then you need to stick around. We're uncovering the mystery of yawning today. We all do it. You see someone yawn and boom, you're yawning too. But why? The simple answer, it's all about the brain. When you're tired or bored, your brain slows down. Yawning helps cool it down and wake it up. It's like hitting the refresh button on your computer, and guess what? Yawning is super contagious. Scientists think it's linked to empathy. Seeing someone yawn triggers the same response in your brain. It's like a social bonding tool that helps us connect with others. Even dogs yawn when they see their humans do it. So next time you catch yourself yawning, remember it's your brain's way of staying alert and connected. Crazy, right? Keep yawning and stay curious. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun facts.